Hi everyone, welcome to Amuna Foods. Today we are going to show you how to make roasted peanuts. The ingredients are just the red peanuts here and salt. Then we will need a bit of water. We're just going to add the pan. Add our salt. No oil, okay? Just peanut, salt and water. I'm going to wash my hand thoroughly. Then I just use my hand for mixing it. So yeah, now we turn our fire on. With peanuts, you just have to mix with the fork, because if you use a wooden spoon, it might bruise it. You want the skin to stay on. You don't want the skin to come off. This is just one way of roasting peanuts or frying peanuts. But after the water has dried up a bit, I'm going to have to put it in the oven so that it can give me, I can have a bit of time to rest. But if you want it to really roast fast, you just carry on mixing. Continue mixing until the water has dried up. Okay guys, so the water has dried up, as you can see. So now what we're going to do, we're just going to turn it over into the roasting tray. And spread it out. Yeah. Then put it in the oven. We are going to check every 5 minutes to make sure that it doesn't burn, because sometimes it's burning from the side. And you have to keep mixing as well. Just keep on mixing like that. It's actually going very well. Always keep on just mixing like that, spreading it out round like that, and put it back. After checking a few times, every 5 minutes, our peanut is finally ready. Please do let us know when you try this recipe. Remember, please to subscribe to our channel, comment, share, and also like. And remember to turn on your notification bell so that you can watch every video that we post and you don't miss out. And we really appreciate your support. May the Lord really bless you. Bye-bye.